So looking at number 5, we're trying to do elimination or substitution. You look at this one, you notice that everything's stacked up, so elimination is going to be your best choice. I've got a negative 1x here and a positive 6x there. So we're trying to think, could I multiply that top row by something to get me the opposite of 6? So on the bottom equation, I'm just rewriting 6x plus 3y equals negative 18. Hopefully you're thinking I can multiply that top row by something to get me the opposite, which would be negative 6x. What would I need to multiply that top row by to get me that negative 6? If we can think about 6 there, let's see. 6 times that would be get me negative 6. 6 times 7y would be 42y. And 6 times negative 12 to get me negative 72. Now that we've multiplied that out, we're going to combine like terms. The x's cancel to get you 0. 3 plus 42 would get you 45y. And negative 18 minus 72 gets you negative 90. Good, my x's got eliminated. That's the whole goal. That's why it's called elimination. At this point, we're solving for y. Divide by 45. Divide by 45. Y equals negative 2. That's one of the answers here. Okay, it's an ordered pair, so I'm going to have 2 answers. Right now I got negative 2. Since I've got one of my answers, all I need to do is take that thing that I got and plug it back into one of those equations. I'm going to plug it into the top one there, it looks like. It doesn't matter. I picked the top one, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm running out of space again, so I'm going to put it down here. Negative x plus 7 times negative 2 equals negative 12. I plug back into this equation, except for where the y was, I put in that negative 2. So it's negative x minus 14 equals negative 12. Add 14. Negative x equals 2. Then I'm going to finish by dividing by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. X equals negative 2. So my final answer there is negative 2, negative 2. All right, let's look at the next one. This one is set up great for substitution. Okay, you can tell it's substitution because I've got y equals something. I know what my y is equal to, it's that. And so in my other equation, I'm going to replace the y with this whole thing. So let's rewrite that second equation now. It's going to be 7x plus 2 times something equals 47. And right where that something is in that parentheses, you're going to plug in what it is. Negative 6x plus 46. At this point, it's just an equation that we need to solve. So we are going to do the same steps we always do. We're going to distribute 7x minus 12x, and then 2 times 46 would get me 92 equals 47. I'm going to combine like terms. So I've got, trying to make it different colors. 7x minus 12x is negative 5x plus 92 equals 47. Minus 42 from both sides, or minus 92 from both sides. Negative 5x equals negative 45. Now I want to solve, so all I need to do left here to solve is divide by 5. Negative 5. Divide by negative 5. I got my x value, it's 9. Now that I've got my x value of 9, I'm going to take that 9 and plug it back into one of those equations. I'm thinking I'm plugging into this one right here, the bottom equation. So again, this is a plug-in step. So I'm going to take 7 times 9 plus 2y equals 47. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 2y equals 47. Minus 63. Minus 63. I get negative 16. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Take negative 16, divide by 2. my y value here is going to be negative 8. So again, we set up for substitution because y was by itself. I plugged in, I solved, and then once I found that answer of 9, I took it and plugged it back into one of the equations, in this case the bottom one, to find my final answer.